All right, this is a room tour of 1536 on board Independence of the Seas. We are on deck 10 in a balcony stateroom. Justin's not included. That's probably a good thing.
I come with every cabin on the ship, baby.
But so this is just a generic balcony stateroom. We are actually on deck 10. We're about 3 cabins from the back of the bridge, which is kind of neat. So that's me.
Wow.
So I almost forgot what I looked like. So we'll start out with the bathroom because that's the most important part. It's supposed to spend most of our time. So we've got a big mirror here. Cool stuff. I got a couple cups, generic sink, trash cans, and of course, most important part, and a pretty decent sized shower for a cruise ship. Not a big shower, but it's good enough for a ship. Got all of our towels, a couple of towel racks around here, so pretty generic on the bathroom. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special, but overall, not bad. Here we have a closet on board. It's actually really spacious. Got our life jackets down here on the bottom right. Some clothes hangers. And even got a little safe, which is nice, and a couple shelves. What else do we have here? Looks like we have... This looks like it might be a dummy. But yeah, I got a mirror, a nice couch. Couch is always very nice. We got some little cubbies for the desk here, and obviously a really nice desk with a mirror so you can get ready for your very nice formal dinner nights. Decent sized TV. And then here we go with a mini fridge. And then obviously got the bed, another important part of the room, with little nightstands on each side with little place for storage down at the bottom, along with a little cabinet each and a phone. One really cool thing is that this little curtain here is actually a divider. You can unhook it and slide it all the way across, which is really nice. This one appears to be a connecting stateroom. Or maybe it used to be. There's just tape over this, but not connecting to the people, or we don't know who's next to us, so obviously that's, good that we can't. All right, and after my battery already died, Justin's FaceTiming Rachel.
Hey.
Cool stuff. Time to head out on the balcony, whichever way this twists. It goes up, that's what it does. And then we got our balcony view. So this is actually really nice because we have a table. We have 2 nice chairs that actually look like they recline, which is cool. Don't go too far or you're gonna fall. And then here's our balcony view. Like I said, we are about 3 cabins, or the 4th cabin back from the bridge. So that's where the captain goes. And then we have 3 in front of us, and then that's pretty much the front of the ship. So we're like very, very far forward. But we also have the little hot tub that hangs out over the side, which is pretty neat. Anyways, that is all for the cabin tour of 1536 here on board Independence of the Seas. Hope you enjoyed. Plenty of videos coming out throughout this weekend that we are spending here on board the ship. And we'll see you in the next one as we start our embarkation day here on Independence of the Seas.